Hey everyone! You're driving smoothly and suddenly your car hesitates, struggles to shift gears or even slips between gears. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and guess what? Code P0978 pops up. This error is related to the pressure control solenoid D circuit high voltage, which means the transmission solenoid is getting too much electrical power, causing rough shifting or even transmission failure. In this video, I'll explain what P0978 means, where the sensors are located, and how to fix it properly. Let's get started. What is DTC P0978? DTC P0978 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid D Control Circuit High Voltage. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, sends electrical signals to the pressure control solenoid D to manage fluid pressure inside the transmission. When the voltage is too high, the solenoid can fail, leading to erratic shifting, poor performance, or even transmission overheating. Common symptoms of P0978. If your car has this trouble code, you may experience harsh or delayed gear shifts, gears slipping or not engaging properly, check engine light or transmission warning light, reduced fuel efficiency vehicle stuck in limp mode, won't shift correctly, sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0978, check these key components: pressure control solenoid, D location, found inside the transmission valve body, accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module, TCM, location, typically near the battery, under the dashboard or attached to the transmission casing. Function, sends voltage signals to the pressure control solenoids. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the fluid lines. Function, measures fluid pressure and reports it to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit. Location, runs between the TCM and the solenoid inside the transmission. Function, transfers electrical signals for pressure regulation. What causes P0978? The most common reasons for this issue include: 1. Faulty pressure control solenoid D, can receive excess voltage and fail. 2. Shorted or damaged wiring. Exposed or corroded wires can lead to high voltage readings. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM, can send incorrect signals to the solenoid. 4. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid, can clog the solenoid causing erratic shifting. 5. Bad electrical ground. Poor grounding can cause excess voltage in the circuit. How to fix P0978? Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is low, dirty, or burnt, replace it with the correct ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires in the solenoid circuit. Repair or replace damaged connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid, D. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check solenoid resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If resistance is too high, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Measure the voltage output from the TCM to the solenoid. If voltage is too high, a software update or replacement may be needed. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, erase the P0978 code with an OBD-II scanner. Drive for 10–15 miles to confirm the fix. Final words. If your car has P0978, it means the pressure control solenoid D circuit is receiving too much voltage, leading to harsh shifting and potential transmission damage. Fix it early to avoid expensive repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0823, up and down shift switch, circuit high, P0824. Gear lever position, circuit high. This is IG Garage, your go-to channel for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.